With 2021 behind us, we have a lot to look forward to in the new year. Hello 2022. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you about some of the plans we have for the year and the direction of the channel. The first year of our channel has been a crazy journey. We got to experience an in-person Best Buy GPU drop, visited some people for tours of their setups, did some cryptocurrency content, and even unboxed a pretty sweet gaming chair. Going forward, we plan to move in a more focused direction, primarily targeting unique tech topics. Now, I've always been a gamer at heart. In fact, that's how I got into computers. When I was 13, I built my very first computer with my father. I played my fair share of games on Xbox, PlayStation, and Game Boy, but my heart has always been with PC gaming. It should come as no surprise that I love making videos. From my first film camera to now, I've always had a passion for videography and photography. So what am I? A gamer that loves computers, the latest tech, and making videos. My computer is a link between the gaming world, content creation, and so much more. This computer is going to serve as a reference for some of our upcoming projects. I'll have the specs linked in the description below. This case was chosen because of its universal layout similar to others used in custom PC building. And it comes equipped with an 11th gen Intel CPU and a 1660 Ti GPU. It's capable of playing all the latest titles. A great starting point for anyone getting into PC gaming. We have a lot of ideas and projects coming this year. We plan on making a series of videos highlighting the fundamentals of PC water cooling. We'll be making more guides and tutorials, analyzing and comparing thermal interface materials, and of course, more content on this MORA that you guys seem to love so much. Oh, and we have a new addition to our channel called the Tech Torrent Podcast. Our first podcast is premiering tomorrow, January 8th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So get subscribed and hit that bell icon for all that and more coming soon.